you guys doing today? Bullseye here. Before we get any further, please go like and subscribe. Today's the day we are starting the journey to Rockport, Texas, baby. Hopefully by tonight, I'm sitting somewhere by the beach drinking a beer with my bros. So stay tuned. It is a chilly morning. It's gonna be a cold ride. You see, I got the old hog over here ready to go. I gotta bring that bag to carry some extra stuff. I like to leave my saddlebags empty for wherever I need it. But anyways, stay tuned. We'll see you at the meetup spot. Go ahead. And we are on. Up front we got Guapo on the white glide, Poppy on the Road King. Let me see who do we got over here. You got Hollywood on another Road King, Yogi on the Triumph, and then we got Guapo Sons on a Sportster and Dyna Low. And right in front of me, and right on a badass Road Glide Ultra. I am so excited, man. This is gonna be so fun. That was a very chilly ride on the way over here. I'm not gonna lie, I was pretty cold, but luckily we're heading down south right now. It's supposed to be in the 70s all weekend, so we're really looking forward to it. And the reason we're actually doing this ride, this ride was actually Guapo's idea, a road captain, and that's because his sons, both of them are fixing to go to boot camp, and he wanted to do one last ride with them. We are heading on an adventure, going on a motorcycle trip, headed to the coast, and everybody's going to work. I mean, man, that's an awesome feeling. I always like, every time we ride in a group, I like to be either on the front. I'm usually leading, but I'm either on the front or in the back. That's it. I don't like to be in the middle. I like to get the view, everybody, or I like to be in the front when I have nobody in front of me. I've been riding for quite a few years, and one thing I can tell to new riders is ride however you feel more comfortable. So I'm gonna ride however I feel more comfortable, and that is at the very back. Oh man, I'm so excited! Come on, so let's go! Warm up! Woo! Yeah. Stopping, let's go. I don't know what's going on. What the hell? Come on, man. Please don't tell me something's wrong. Yogi, get away from the Harley. Damn Harleys!
Hey, fuck off.
What happened, man?
What?
What happened?
I have to adjust it. I have no power.
Really?
Yeah.
You have no power?
No,
at all?
Good. Like, it's no power.
I better stop talking shit before mine breaks down. What happened? No. Put your phone away. Put your phone away. Post it on the grooming bill. Not even going 5 miles. Not even 5 miles. And he says he has no power.
Yeah.
He said he has no power on the bike.
Really?
That's what he's saying. Tell him it's because it's a fucking Harley. He thinks he's got it fixed.
Well, hopefully.
Yeah.
Hopefully that fucking 5 miles down the road it will stop again.
I hope not. I think we're ready to go now. He's saying he has no power on it. They just tuned the bike and he's got no power on it. But I mean, hey man, it's a Harley. They don't have any power. They're just for looks. It's just to get that American feel of freedom. They run on stripper glitter and beer and bald diggle piss. There ain't a whole lot of power on that. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. And we're back on. Tell you what though, I hate this freaking city riding like this, man. I hate riding through the DFW. I mean, riding by myself through here, it's not that bad. I mean, I do it all the time. But riding with a bigger group, let's say more than 4, man, I just don't like it. I'm not a fan of it. I live out in the country, and that's where I like to stay. It's pretty nice weather now, man. It's starting to warm up. Next stop, Waco, Texas. What is this, a third stop? Second stop?
Third counting his breakdown.
Second stop for Phil. What about 100 and,
My breakdown doesn't count.
115 miles
It counts.
from the last one?
Well, maybe you should have worked on the bike
110?
then.
100 miles?
About 100.
And we will be able to do probably 150, but we got a Sportster.
Yeah, hey. you see what he posted on Facebook, right? 5.5 months.
Yeah, I saw that one. Yep, we got a Sportster, so we gotta get fueled every 100 miles. And guess who's working on his bike again? God
I'm gonna get this son
damn,
of a bitch right.
It's gonna be like brand new by the time we get back on.
I'm gonna get this son of a bitch right. I actually gained 6 miles on the tank.
Turn in a little more, go for 10.
Right. That's what I'm hoping. Work my way up there.